Good morning, dear students. Myself, Miss Deepti from Dip Scroll Bag. In today's lecture, we are going to continue the reading of History, Geography, Chapter 5, Agriculture and Introduction. In today's lecture, we are going to read about the farming. Commercial farming. What is a commercial farming? First of all, commercial farming is the farming in which agriculture products are produced for the sale in the market. The crops to be grown are mostly chosen keeping the mind their share value. The farms are very large in size, so say more than 100 hectares, and the amount of capital required is also large. The main type of commercial farming are commercial grain farming, or extensive farm agriculture, mixed farming, and number third is plantation agriculture. First of all is the commercial grain farming. In this, the production of the food grains are mainly done for the commercial purpose, and it is widely practiced in the separately populated regions of temperate grasslands. Separately means where the population is very less, or in the temperate grants of Northern America, where it is known as prairies, South America, where it is known as pampas, Europe and Asia, in these areas these grasslands are known as steppes. So here the only one crops are grown in a season, because due to the severe climatic condition, especially in the winters are very cold here. So due to that, here only in these areas only one crop is grown in whole season. But the main difference is there that the yield means the production from per unit is very less. Yield means production of annual production from a land. Yield means annual production from a land is known as yield. So yield per unit is very low. The production of from a piece of land is very low, but the capital yield is very high. Means capital income बहुत high होती है. Here there is a limited labor we required. Mostly here the farmers are owners of the fields are the farmers. So next is the mixed farming. It rises in this. It evolves the rising of livestock. Livestock means domestic animals like cow, buffalo, sheep, goats, etc. along with the crops and fodders. Fodders means आपकी जैसे कि vegetables वगैरह में आ जाता है. This type of farming is mostly practiced in the thickly populated regions of Europe, Eastern USA, Argentina, East Asia, Australia, New Zealand and South Africa. The size of the farm is moderate, and the cereal crops are grown along with the fodder crops such as alfalfa. Alfalfa means मेथी. मेथी एक तरह की सब्जी होती है जो हम लोग सर्दियों में हम लोग को इजीली अवेलेबल मार्केट में होती है. एंड लूसरी, it is a type of grass which is used to give animal. It is very nutritious grass for the animals, so domestic animals. So these are the fodders. Means ये हम लोग के घास फूस में आ जाता है कि ये एनिमल्स के फूड में आता है. तो these are known as fodders. So animals waste is used as a manure. The farmers rear cattle for milk and beef, and sheep for wool and mutton. Animals are used for their milk and for their wool as well as for their meat. The farming method are intensive and every effort is made to get high yield of cereals and fodders. Sometimes cattle are fed on standing crops. So यहाँ पर yield ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लेने के लिए कोशिश की जाती है और यहाँ पर here animal waste is used as a manure here. So sometime what they do, they let the animals free to graze in their fields so that their waste could come to the ground and they can use it directly from that place to in the fields. So next is the plantation agriculture. Plantation agriculture is revolved in the raising a single crop like tea, coffee, sugarcane, rubber, cotton, banana, coconut or spices. The farms are very large size. Most of the work in the plantation is done on scientific basis, and even the agriculture product are fully or partly processed on the plantation before sending them for the sale in the market. The availability of cheap and skilled labor is must for the economic success of the plantation. Most of the plantation managed like to industrial units. An efficient and adequate network of transport is essential. Plantation agriculture has mostly developed in the tropical regions of the world, such as rubber plantation in the Malaysia and Indonesia, tea plantation in India and Sri Lanka, coffee plantation in Brazil and Colombia, sugarcane plantation in Cuba and Java, and banana plantation in West Indies. So plantation agriculture is there where they grow in a large farm area. They grow one plant only, and from that plant they get the production every fortnight, every week they get the production. So mainly these type of plantation agriculture में हम लोग crops जो उगाते हैं, data tea, coffee, sugarcane, rubber, cotton, banana, coconut etc. comes in this plantation agriculture. So they required in this agriculture labor. A large number of labor is required, which is adequate, efficient should be the efficient. They should know their work very well, and efficient transport is efficient and fast transport is required, because these plantation products are very easily destroy or get spoiled if they are not transported as soon as possible. They are broken from their tree. So that is why these plantation agriculture, wherever the plantation agriculture are doing, there should be a good network of transport. So these are the type of commercial farming done in the world. In next lecture we are going to do the back exercise of this chapter. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay healthy, and see you soon. Thank you very much.